What's up, Shiba and Warriors? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, we are going to discuss the previous phase of the Shiba and what's going on in the Shiba and my friends. My friends, you know what? In the previous time, in the previous last 1 month, last 30 days, 40 days, the price of Shiba Inu is completely going down. Continuously falls down occur in the Shiba Inu. So what's the reason behind it? What's the reality behind it? That why the price of Shiba Inu is going down, my friends? In this video, we are going to discuss. So keep watch this video complete. And before starting this video, guys, please click the subscribe button and also like this video, my friends. Now at this time, the price of the Shiba Inu is 0.000007 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Shiba Inu in the market. And furthermore, my friends, you can see that the last 1 hour changes is positive, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Shiba Inu is negative. In the previous time, the price of Shiba Inu is completely dumps now, but now the latest last 1 hour situation of the Shiba Inu is going good. So I'm feeling very good. I'm feeling satisfied about the Shiba Inu, my friends. Anyway, what you think? What is your prediction about Shiba Inu? Just share in the comment box. And you know what, my friends? Let me show you the price chart. That is the last 1 month price chart of the Shiba Inu, and from the last 1 month you can see here from this price chart, everybody that's clear, my friends, that the price is going down, my friends. But now I think my personal recommendation, my personal prediction about Shiba Inu is that there is a possibilities that the price will pump and you will get profit from a Shiba Inu, but I think you know what, it's time to buy more and more Shiba Inu, because now the current price is very low. You know what, in the previous time when the price of the Shiba Inu pump, so people understand that they are going to hit a 1 USD dollar, my friends. And I believe that in the next pump the Shiba Inu will easily going to hit a 1 USD dollar, my friends. That's target for me. That's my target for Shiba Inu, my friends. Anyways, what is your target? What is your opinion about Shiba Inu? Just share in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates.